Bam! Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
Been a long time since I've done a video. I'm wearing my shirt that my daughter got me, my lounge pants, and in the mail a day early came this. Bam! What's that say? Boom! I ordered my Garrett Max metal detector. Haven't metal detected in years. We had a cheap one a long time ago. I found a couple cool things. It sat in the attic for a long time, got rid of it. Lately we've talked a lot about getting back into it. We finally pulled the trigger and I ordered a Garrett AT Max kit that came with all kinds of stuff. So let's just see what's in the box. Let's see. Come over here. Let's get where there's some light. Look out, buddy. Hopefully it's in good shape. Some stuff that's been delivered lately has gotten a little shaken up. Got my Garrett metal detector bag. Gonna put some stuff in here. Go metal detecting. It'll be a good time because I got my bag. I'll put it right up here. Walk around. Metal detect. And boom! There it is. Let's see what it looks like. Here we go. I got my let's see, this might be the carrying bag for the detector itself. Here, just hold this. Garrett metal detectors. There's a bag. I got me a hat. Yeah. Got me a hat. I got this guy. My little digger. Look at that. Gonna do some digging. Pretty nice. In the ground and stuff, you know, dig in, pull out, metal detect. Yeah. Got this little case. Let's see what else we got. What's this? What's this? I think this is the finds bag. I can put stuff I find in here. Just pile it all in, you know. Got like a couple different zippers in here. Yeah. I'll have this around a little waist. I'll have this little guy over here. You know, when I find my stuff, I'll just throw it in. It'll be awesome. Got my handheld. Can't wait to check this out. I'm just as excited about this as I am anything else in there. Oh, look at that. Oh. Hey, under here. Yeah, metal. That's right, you see that scar? Yeah. Oh, I love it. All right, so I got that little guy. It'll be on my little belt too. Just walk around, you know. Got the instructions and registration junk. Z-Link wireless headphones. I'm super excited about these two. I've watched so many videos about this thing that I feel like I already know how to metal detect. So, folds for easy storage, yeah. Look at that. That seems backwards. There we go. Look at this. Yeah. This thing syncs up to it, so I can hear everything through here. And so does the metal detector, of course. Instruction manuals. Oh, look at this, the favorite finds. I've been watching a lot of Ed Huffman's videos. I don't know if any of you know him. Look him up. Ed Huffman on YouTube. Apparently, some of his finds are in here. Because he got the book. I saw it in one of his videos. Where it, let's see if I can find it. Yeah, I don't know. Somewhere in here, he's got a page or two dedicated to stuff that he has found. Got my instruction manual. Looks like it's about 100,000 pages. I'm going to go through that. And then this guy. Got my little metal detector right there. Little comfy grip. Got my 8.5 by 11 coil cover. This looks like the cover, yeah. Let's see. Part of the shaft. And there's the coil. Right there. So, I'm going to get all this put together, and I'm going to test it and make it go beep and make it go boop, and then probably upload a lot more videos, because finally I have something to do some videos with. Thanks.